Justine Miranda, I love you, and I promise I didn't write these like 45 minutes ago.
You did. You did.
When we met, my life changed in many ways for the better. You've made me a better person. You're the perfect other half. I'm so excited to spend the rest of my life with you and grow old together. God has really blessed me putting you into my life. I vow to always be there in sickness and health, for rich or for poor, no matter what. I love you.
Sean, I'll never forget the day we met 7.5 years ago. How Mitch said that you were very single and how cute I thought you were. We started dating quickly, and I made you ask me to be your girlfriend after only hanging out 2 times. I knew then that we would be together for a long time, so I figured why wait. Sean, you're my best friend, my true love, my everything. You're the calm to my crazy, the father of my future babies, my biggest supporter through anything and everything. Our love for one another is easy, and I think that's how it should be. I will always support you, care for you, and be faithful to you. And God gave me you, and I will thank him for that for the rest of my life. I love you.
I continue to declare that they are husband and wife. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, those whom God has joined together, let no one separate. Sean, you may claim your bride with a kiss.
When they got engaged, we were up at our friend's cottage, the Redicops. We were all anxiously waiting because Justine and Sean came up the day after us, and we had a suspicion that Sean was going to propose the night before. When they got there and announced it, my dad pushed Justine aside like she was Cucumber's tasteless cousin, Zucchini, and ran to give Sean a hug. Clearly, he had been waiting for this longer than anyone.
And Justine, since I'm the best brother you could ever ask for, you get one free hug at the end of this speech. And Sean, I've always wanted a little brother. Emphasis on little.
As I look at this beautiful woman before me in her lovely princess-like wedding gown, I can't help but reflect on the cute little girl she was and the beautiful woman she has become.
Justine is a very affectionate, generous, loving, kind person. She has so much love for you, Sean. It was wonderful to watch through the years as your love for each other grew. I remember the day she told me she loved you very clearly. I knew that day she will love you forever. Sean, I see how you are with her and that your love for her is the same.
I guess this is the last speech of the night too, so we might as well get the party going.
Alla vivo, alla vivo, alla vivo, la vivo, la bom. For the lions to lock the on and the mark, the boon, la pest, the laugh, laugh, laugh. Sing it, sing it, sing it, sing it. Hoi, hoi, hoi. Sing it, hoi, sing it, hoi, sing it, hoi, hoi, hoi.